It's an understatement to say that it's no fun to be the victim of identity theft, to have things on your credit report that don't belong to you, to be called by debt collectors on debts you don't owe, to get letters, threatening letters, maybe even lawsuits on debts you don't owe. And sometimes all of that comes crashing down on people, and maybe you're feeling this way, and you think, I just wish I could make it all go away. And somebody says, you know what? You can file bankruptcy, and it'll all go away. And that's kind of true. If you file bankruptcy, you better not be collected on anymore, and they better not keep a balance reporting on your credit report or sue you. But that's kind of like saying, my finger is really hurt, and so I'm going to cut off my arm. Yeah, I guess that works, but it's a little extreme and it's unnecessary. So if you're a victim of identity theft, 3 steps. If it's on your credit report, you pull those credit reports, you dispute them, and we can explain to you how to do that. Identity theft affidavit, police report, and then you're going to get the results back. That's the 3rd step. It's either going to be gone or it's going to stay. If it stays, then look at suing the credit bureaus. Look at suing Bank of America, Chase, Capital One, whoever it is that's on there, or some debt collector, Midland, LVNV, Portfolio Recovery, whoever it is. You sue them, and it's amazing. Victims of identity theft that sue, these companies are very skittish of that because they do not want to be standing in front of a jury having to give an account for, this person is completely innocent and they told me they didn't owe this debt. They got a police report and we said, keep it on there. That's not what they want to face. But what if they're just calling you? What if they're threatening you with a lawsuit? Well, you let them know. You say, hey, I do not owe this debt. I'm the victim of identity theft. Back off. And if they do, great. But what if they don't? What if they continue to call you? They say, you know what? I believe you're lying. This really is your debt. I've had in-house lawyers at the biggest companies in this nation tell me, yeah, John, I know your lady says it's identity theft, but I don't buy that, and I'm comfortable. I don't think a jury will believe you. Okay, and we can see. We can see. But there are bad consequences if they're wrong. So if they continue to call you, continue to write you, continue to harass you, then sue them for that. If you live in Alabama and you want to know more about your options, whether it makes sense to sue them or maybe you need to write a letter, maybe you need to call them on the phone, then just give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can go to alabamaconsumer.com. You can find a lot of information there as well as our contact information. Thank you very much.